Habit Now App Review. Best Babit Tracking App. Finding the right habit tracker can change your daily routine. Habit Now is gaining attention, but is it really one of the best habit tracking apps available? Let's break it down. Habit Now focuses on simplicity and structure. It allows you to track habits, routines, and one-time tasks in one clean interface. The app shines in customization. You can set daily, weekly, or flexible habits and visualize progress clearly. Most people get this wrong by unusing reminders. Habit Now's reminders are one of its strongest features. The interface is distraction-free, which makes it easier to stay consistent. Unlike gamified apps, Habit Now focuses on discipline rather than rewards. Offline support is another plus. Your habits are always accessible, even without internet. The downside is limited social features. If you need accountability from others, this may not be ideal. The surprising truth is that Habit Now works best for people who value routine over motivation. Pricing is fair, with a generous free version and a one-time premium option instead of subscriptions. In 2025, Habit Now is an excellent choice for users who want clean design and reliable habit tracking. If you're serious about building habits without distractions, Habit Now delivers. Subscribe for more productivity app reviews that help you stay consistent.